Hi guys, today gonna show you how to create a Maven project in Eclipse IDE. There are two different type of Maven project we can create in Eclipse IDE. The first one is we can create a simple Maven project without archetype, and the second one is we can create a Maven project with archetype. Right now we're gonna show you how to create a simple project in IDE. So new, under new we can choose project. So once you choose project, you can see Maven project over here. Select this Maven project and click this next button. Here we have to check this create a symbol project. So once you click this symbol project, you are skipping the archetype here, right? Then click this next button. Here we have to provide the project name in the form of group ID and artifact ID. I'm going to say com.management. I copy this group ID into artifact ID and click this finish button. Once you click this finish button, you can see this project will be created under this package explorer. Here we go. This is our project, guys. You can see these four source folder got created under this project, and finally we have a pom.xml file as well. This is a project structure for Maven project. On the top of the Maven project, you can see M. So M means Maven project. And I'm going to show you the second way to create a Maven project with archetype. New project, select Maven project, next. So here you make sure you should not click this create a symbol project. When you click this create a symbol project, you will be creating the normal symbol project, right? So make sure you are not checking this create symbol project. Click this next button. Then in this filter drop down, we have to provide some keyword to search a archetype. I'm going to say arc.apache dot maven dot archetype. Once you search this keyword, you can see so many archetype will be appear here. Here we have to choose this Maven archetype quick start. The version is 1.4. Then click this next button. Here we have to provide the same project name here. I'm going to say com.management. I just copy this group ID into artifact ID and click this finish button. So here we can see our com.management 2 project will be created here. So if there are any issue in this project, you can refresh this project. So sometime this source folder will not appear here. So on the time if you are facing this kind of issue, you can refresh this project. There are two source folder and we have pom.xml file as well. So this is a project structure for with archetype. Thank you guys, thank you so much.